Chess is no longer just about wooden boards and classic moves. Artificial intelligence has completely changed the game. In 2026, smart chessboards can think, adapt, and train you in real time, turning every match into a smarter experience. If you're looking for the most advanced AI-powered chessboards that blend real pieces with intelligent gameplay, you're in the right place. Stay with us, because these 5 smart chessboards are redefining how the game is played. Number 1. Introducing Chessnut Evo, MindMate Chess, a next-generation AI-powered smart chessboard that brings artificial intelligence directly to the physical chess experience. Designed for modern players, this board blends the classic feel of real pieces with the power of advanced AI, creating a smarter and more interactive way to play chess in 2026. Chessnut Evo features a built-in touchscreen display and intelligent piece recognition, allowing every move to be tracked instantly and accurately. Powered by AI, it adapts to your skill level, offering real-time feedback, move suggestions, and personalized training that helps players improve naturally over time. It feels less like a traditional board and more like a futuristic controller for strategic thinking. What makes this smart chessboard stand out is how seamlessly it connects physical gameplay with digital intelligence. You can play against the AI, challenge online opponents, or replay famous matches while the board guides you move by move. The AI engine analyzes your decisions, helping beginners learn faster while giving advanced players meaningful insights into their strategy. Number 2. Meet the Chessnut Move AI Chess Engine, a smart and intelligent upgrade that turns a traditional chessboard into a next-gen AI-powered experience. Designed for modern players, Chessnut Move brings artificial intelligence directly into physical chess, making every match more interactive, educational, and engaging. This AI chess engine tracks real pieces in real time and analyzes every move as you play. It works like a futuristic controller for strategy, guiding your decisions and helping you understand the game on a deeper level. Instead of staring at a screen, you stay focused on the board while the AI handles analysis in the background. Chessnut Move adapts to your skill level, whether you're just learning the basics or refining advanced tactics. It offers AI opponents, move evaluation, and post-game analysis that helps players improve naturally without breaking the flow of gameplay. Everything feels smooth, responsive, and easy to use. With app connectivity and online play support, you can challenge remote opponents, replay games, and train anytime. Regular software updates ensure the AI continues to improve, making Chessnut Move a future-ready smart chess solution built for 2026 and beyond. If you want a smarter way to play real chess with real pieces, Chessnut Move delivers an intelligent, modern experience where every move helps you become a better player. Number 3. The GoChessboard AI Chess Training, a smart chessboard designed to help players learn, improve, and think faster with the power of artificial intelligence. This board takes traditional chess and upgrades it into a next-gen training experience that feels modern, intuitive, and interactive. GoChess uses built-in AI and smart sensors to track every move on the board in real time. As you play with real pieces, the board responds instantly using subtle LED lights, guiding moves, highlighting mistakes, and suggesting better options. It works like a futuristic controller for your strategy, helping you learn without pulling you away from the physical game. What makes GoChess especially effective is its focus on training and improvement. It adapts to your skill level, making it ideal for beginners learning fundamentals and experienced players sharpening tactics. You can play against AI, connect to online platforms, or follow guided lessons that make complex ideas easier to understand. With app connectivity and regular software updates, GoChess is built to grow smarter over time, making it a future-ready smart chessboard for 2026. If you want a hands-on way to train smarter and play better, GoChess delivers an intelligent chess experience that truly elevates the game. Number 4. Introducing ChessUp 2. Adaptive AI Assistance, a smart chessboard built to help players improve in real time using intelligent, personalized guidance. This board combines real chess pieces with AI-driven support, creating a learning experience that feels natural, modern, and highly interactive. ChessUp 2 uses adaptive AI to understand your skill level and respond as you play. With subtle LED hints built directly into the board, it highlights strong moves, warns about mistakes, and guides you forward without interrupting the flow of the game. It works like a futuristic controller for decision-making, helping players think smarter with every move. This smart board is perfect for solo training, casual games, or competitive play between players of different skill levels. The AI balances the experience so matches stay fun, fair, and educational. App connectivity allows online play, game analysis, and continuous improvement through software updates. Built for the future of smart chess, ChessUp 2 is designed to grow with its players through 2026 and beyond. If you want a smarter, more supportive way to play real chess, this board turns every game into a step forward. Number 5. Meet the Square Off Pro. Rollable E-Chessboard, a futuristic AI-powered chessboard that turns classic chess into a fully automated, intelligent experience. Designed for players who want smart gameplay without screens, this board feels like a next-gen controller for strategy, where technology quietly runs the game beneath real pieces. Square Off Pro features auto-moving pieces powered by an internal robotic system, allowing you to play against AI or online opponents while the board physically responds to every move. The AI engine analyzes gameplay in real time, making it feel less like a traditional board and more like a smart interface guiding every decision with precision. What truly sets this board apart is its rollable, portable design. Despite its advanced technology, it's built for flexibility, making it easy to store. Thanks for watching! Which one would you choose? Like, subscribe, and comment for more smart tech and future gadgets.